In this video, we'll be discussing the Sony Alpha 7 IV Mirrorless Camera Kit and determining whether it's worth your investment or not. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this camera in the description below for latest pricing details and deals if available. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is a complete hybrid kit designed for photographers and videographers who want professional quality results without buying multiple accessories separately. Right out of the box, it comes with a 28 to 70mm OSS lens, plus additional wide-angle and telephoto lenses, a filter kit, a tulip hood, and a 64GB memory card, so you can start shooting immediately. One of the standout features is the 33-megapixel full-frame sensor. Powered by a back-illuminated Exmor R CMOS sensor in Sony's BIONZ XR processor, it delivers sharp, detailed images with excellent color reproduction and impressive low-light performance. Whether you're capturing landscapes during golden hour, indoor events, or close-up portraits, the camera maintains natural tones and texture, making it a strong contender for professional photography. The autofocus system is another major strength. With AI-driven real-time IAF and subject tracking, the Alpha 7 IV locks focus accurately on humans, animals, and even birds. Coupled with 759 phase detection points, it covers a wide frame area, allowing you to track fast-moving subjects with confidence. Continuous shooting at up to 10 frames per second ensures you won't miss critical moments during sports, wildlife, or wedding photography. However, with all this power, the camera is slightly heavier than some mirrorless alternatives, which may be noticeable during extended handheld shooting sessions. For video creators, the Alpha 7 IV excels with oversampled 7K to 4K recording at 60p, providing crisp, professional quality footage. You also get 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth for flexible post-production, S-Cinetone for cinematic color right out of the box, and S-Log 2/3 support for advanced grading. The built-in optical steady shot on the 28 to 70mm lens reduces shake for handheld video, though for extremely smooth cinematic shots, a gimbal is still recommended. Overall, the Sony Alpha 7 IV Mirrorless Camera Kit offers exceptional versatility for hybrid shooters, combining high-resolution stills, reliable autofocus, and cinematic 4K video capabilities in a single package. While it comes with a premium price tag, the inclusion of extra lenses and filters makes it a highly convenient and value-packed option for anyone serious about photography or videography.